Hey guys, this is Angie at ChicnScratch. This is the second card for our Hello Ladybug card class. I hope you enjoy the video. And let's start with the card base. We're going to score that at 4 1/4. Now for the inside, we're going to add 2 layers. So we're going to put liquid glue on our basic white. And then add it to the real red layer. Oh well, it's a little crooked, but it'll be okay. And then we're going to add this to the inside. Let it dry before you pick it up. Okay. Now we're going to add the Designer Series paper right on top of the basic white. All the measurements are in the PDF for the class. And then this is going to get added right to the front. There's that part. Now we're going to stamp our greeting right here in the middle. This is using the Special Moments stamp set. This is in the Celebration catalog. It is free with a $100 order. And if you don't have this stamp set, you can use any greeting that you have. It's just going to fit right in the middle. It does not look like it's inked up well. And you know what? I want to use my stamping mat because it's a photopolymer stamp. There we go. Okay, so we're going to be using the Stamparatus. I'm going to be using Memento ink. Okay, so here's our Stamparatus. We've got our basic white cardstock here. And we're going to use Memento ink for the Ladybug. Uh-oh. Wrong position. He's supposed to be over here. So there we go. Press. Perfect. Now we're going to get the other one, the other plate. And this time we're going to be using it from this side. This is real red. Looks like my real red ink pad needs to be re-inked. And then we need the next plate. And we're going to use Memento ink again. So we're going to cut this out using the Ladybug Builder Punch. And you can see I need to trim a little bit of cardstock. Put this back over here. Okay, so now let's build the ladybugs. We're gonna go ahead and add this layer real quick. I love the stitched So Sweetly dies. And this is gonna go there, and I'm gonna use black dimensionals. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, they're not just for Halloween. They can be used for lots of occasions. Okay, now I'm going to build these guys, or girls, ladies. And I want to use my silicone craft sheet so that I don't get adhesive on my paper, like I got it on my finger just now. Okay, now let's add our Wink of Stella. You want to make sure that your ink is dry before you use your Wink of Stella. Okay. And now we're going to turn them over, add a dimensional to the back, and then we're going to add them to the card. Uh-oh, I can see I already smeared the ink on this one. So there's that one. Come here. And there's that one. And now the final touch will be our embellishment. The embellishments just make projects, don't they? They give them what they are missing. So there's the second card. Thank you.